Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 26 without security delay. For example, if you have recently turned on the stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 26 and you want to turn it off again and it asks for security delay, so how you can skip that security delay. So if you want to do that, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on that and you have to click reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to look for stolen device protection, which will be available in Face ID and passcode. So you have to click on that, and after that you have to make sure that you remember your phone passcode, and after providing the passcode you have to check for the stolen device protection, and you will find that here. So here is the option available. So here are the options available. The first option is just that requires security delay, which means if you are away on a familiar location, then it will always ask for the security delay. But there is also another option that if you select always, then it will always ask for the security delay. So if you want to skip the security delay at a familiar location, then you have to simply select that location, and you have to make sure that your location is working properly, and you have turned on this location. For this, you have to simply go back and you have to search for the location settings, and you have to make sure that you have turned on your location. And if it is any option is available, and you have to click on location and privacy, and you have to look for location setting, and you have to turn on the location. So here you have to go to share my location and go turn it on again. And now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to look for the Face ID and passcode again, and this time you have to make sure that you turn off the stolen device protection without security delay. But if it is showing always showing the stolen device protection security delay, then you have to make sure that how you can turn it off this stolen device protection. So you have to click on that, and it will ask for your Face ID, and you have to make sure that it is also working, and you have to set an alarm for 1 hour, and after that you have to wait for that security delay. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.